State your name.
Assalamu alaikum. Hatim. I just have a quick question drawing on this auntie's question about performing Salah.
Yep.
Is there a stipulation for men performing Salah? Like often when you go to the mosque, they say you have to have something
A
below
cap.
the knees or covering your legs. So is that
No, you can go as you like. You don't have to wear this head
so
covering.
no topi, no
Yeah.
nothing? Okay.
Yeah, because Salah is standing, bowing, prostrating. And what are you reading is more important, that what you are reading, you are submitting in a bowing position and you are prostrating in a bowing position, believing that whatever I've read is my belief and I practice those. Or the Imam have read. So if you don't know from where he read, you may ask him. But basic Salah is, the concept of Salah is you are bowing physically to an ayah that you believe. Now if you wear a cap and you bow very nicely and you don't believe anything what the ayah says, so you see the Muslim world generally don't understand what the message is given in the Salah. So they go to the Salah as if they went inside and they came back without knowing a word what Imam said. So the Salah is basically a communication between a man and Allah. So either in the mosque or alone, you read those ayahs that are related to your lifestyle so that you gain the essence and you bow down and prostrate and praise Allah. So is a cap will not help you for this. Yep. Okay.